Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you secret tricks to increase volume in Android phone without any app. So for that, at first just go to your phone settings. Now just scroll here and just click on sound and vibration. Now you can just increase the volume here. Now here you can see a sound assistant, just click on it. Now you can just turn on these options. Now just again scroll here and here you can see in the bottom sound effects, click on it. Now in the bottom here you can see earphone controls and here you can see headphone remote buttons, just click on it. Now after entering your earphone you can just control your volume level to max. And here you can see additional settings, just click on it. And here you can see there are a lot of options here. You can just turn all of this on to get the best experience of volume. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.